A salon hair treatment is a specialized service offered at hair salons to address various hair concerns and enhance the overall health and appearance of your hair. These treatments normally involve the nourishing, repairing, and revitalizing of your locks using professional-grade materials and methods. Whether you're struggling with dryness, damage, frizz, or dullness, a salon hair treatment can provide targeted solutions. Each treatment, including deep conditioning, moisturizing masks, keratin treatments, and scalp rejuvenation, is customized to meet your individual needs. Pamper yourself with a salon hair treatment and enjoy the transformative results of healthy, beautiful hair. Let's see what are the different stages of hair treatment. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. For the first time, liquid spray for hair softening. The ultimate salon-quality liquid spray to soften your hair and enhance hair texture, leaving it irresistibly soft and smooth. Infused with nourishing ingredients like argan oil and silk proteins, this spray deeply moisturizes and revitalizes your locks. Brushing hair coloring paste. Salon-grade hair coloring paste helps get hair flawless and vibrant results. This salon-grade formula, combined with a convenient brush applicator, allows for precise and seamless application. With a range of stunning shades to choose from, this paste delivers intense color payoff and long-lasting results. Whether you're looking for a bold transformation or subtle highlights, this brush-on coloring paste ensures salon-worthy results that will turn heads. Shampooing hair over a basin. Shampooing hair over a basin in a salon offers several benefits. Clients can sit comfortably with their head tilted back, allowing for deep cleansing of the hair and scalp. The water flow and pressure can be controlled, ensuring thorough rinsing without excessive water on the face or neck. It provides a relaxing experience and is accessible for clients with mobility issues. Shampooing over a basin enhances the overall salon visit by providing a comfortable and effective hair washing experience. Towel wrap hair after shampoo. After shampooing, it is common to towel wrap the hair. A soft and absorbent towel is wrapped around the head to remove excess moisture from the hair. This helps to speed up the drying process and prepares the hair for further styling. Go sit there, dear Majesty. The towel wrap is a simple yet effective technique that allows for efficient moisture removal while keeping the client comfortable during their salon experience. Liquid spray hair after shampooing. After shampooing, in a salon, it is common to use a liquid spray on the hair. This spray is typically a leave-in conditioner or a styling product. It is applied to damp hair to provide added moisture, detangling, and nourishment. The spray can also help with managing frizz, adding shine, or enhancing the desired hairstyle. It is a convenient and effective way to enhance the hair's health and appearance, leaving it more manageable and styled to perfection. Hair blow dryer. In a salon, a hair blow dryer is a staple tool used to style and dry the hair after washing. It emits a controlled stream of hot air that helps to evaporate excess moisture, allowing the hair to dry quickly. The blow dryer is versatile and can be used to create various hairstyles, add volume, and smooth out the hair. It is an essential tool for achieving a polished and professional look, providing clients with a finished and styled appearance. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more videos.